In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Mailchimp subscription. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. All right, let's get started. First things first, before you dive into the cancellation process, it's important to check your contacts. Mailchimp has a limit of 500 contacts to stay eligible for their free plan. So go ahead and take a look at your total audience size. If it's under 500, you're good to go. If not, you'll need to trim down your list a bit before proceeding. Now that you've confirmed that you're under the limit, let's move on to the next step, navigating to the billing section. Begin by logging into your Mailchimp account. On the home page, you'll notice your profile icon located in the corner. Go ahead and click on that, and from the drop-down menu, select Account and Billing. This will take you to a new page where you can manage all your billing information. Once you're in the Account and Billing section, it's time to locate your billing information. Look for the area labeled Billing Information. Here you will find your current subscription details, and what you want to do next is change your plan. In this section, there is a drop-down menu under your monthly plan. Click on that, and you'll see options including Monthly Plan and Credit. Choose Monthly Plan, as that will set you up for the next step, changing your subscription. Next, you may encounter a message from Mailchimp stating that you've outgrown the free option. Not to worry, there should be a contact volume slider or drop-down menu available to adjust your audience size. Make sure to manually adjust that back down to the 500 contact level. This is a crucial step because you need your audience to be at that limit to qualify for the free tier of Mailchimp. Now that you've adjusted your contact level, we're nearly finished. Look for the downgrade button on the same page and click on it. Mailchimp will then provide you with a list of paid features that you will lose access to after the downgrade. Be sure to take a moment to review these features, as it's essential to understand what you're giving up. Once you've done that, you will need to check the acknowledgement box, confirming that you understand the implications of this transition. After that, you'll see the Downgrade button pop up once again. Go ahead and click on that to finalize the process. You'll receive a confirmation message that your subscription has been successfully canceled. And there you have it. You have successfully canceled your Mailchimp subscription and are now back on the free plan. Remember, if you ever need to re-access those paid features or increase your audience size, you can always upgrade again when the time is right. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more tutorials.